Just a quick demonstration of how to select the gears manually on a Talbot Express gearbox. Obviously the comparable models, Fiat Ducato, Citroen C25, etc. all the same. Particularly handy if you can't find reverse for any reason, maybe your engine mountings are worn, gearbox is shifted and the linkage can no longer travel far enough. You can usually leave this bit on, but we'll take it off for the purposes of this demonstration. Oh, by the way, that's called the control sleeve, if you ever hear me referring to a control sleeve, and this one's broken. Anyway, so we're in neutral. The lever goes up and down, selector rod goes up and down, we're in neutral. Select reverse, it's pressed down and turn clockwise. Now we're locked into reverse. Back into neutral again. Fifth is down and anti-clockwise. There we go, back into neutral. Obviously you can work out the rest of the gears for yourself. I hope that's helpful. Whilst we are here, whilst we've got this control sleeve in my hand, this is the later type, the version 3. And if you come to fit it, the Allen headed bolt goes through that side and it only grips on this one face here. The other two types of control sleeves you get actually crush onto the collar, but the later type 3 one doesn't. But as you can see, it's prone to snapping here. They all snap around here. I've even seen ones where the entire arm is sheared off. So, hey, there you go, I hope that was useful.